We're extremely proud at ECD to introduce the first Porsche 911 993 builds to roll off the production line. This is a vehicle that lures, seeking out drives that allow its limits to be pushed, making its existence seen, appreciated and known. This 911 takes the iconic 993 wide-body silhouette and elevates it with Turbo S aggression, a coupe finished in striking contrasts, icy white, with agate grey detailing. Performance lives in the details. BREMBO braking power, Bilstein sport suspension, and a 6-speed manual delivering pure connection between driver and road. Inside, tradition meets precision. Recaro cross sports to seats with custom leather weave, silver metal accents, and agate grey touches that carry design through every detail. This is the 993 Turbo perfected. Welcome Project GRAVETTE, the Porsche 911.